Many students wonder how to make money online. It can be challenging to balance studies and income. This guide helps you master affiliate marketing easily. Let's aim to earn passive income and gain financial freedom as a student. First, understand what affiliate marketing is. It's simple. You promote products and earn commissions. Choose a niche that interests you. It can be tech, fashion, or health. Next, find affiliate programs. Websites like Amazon and ClickBank are great. Sign up and get your unique affiliate links. Now, create a platform. You can start a blog or a YouTube channel. These platforms are ideal for promotion. Once your platform is ready, produce quality content. Write blog posts or make engaging videos. Ensure your content provides value to your audience. Add affiliate links in your content strategically. Don't overload it, keep it natural. Focus on encouraging clicks. Then, promote your content. Use social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Engage with your audience and share useful tips. Monitor your performance regularly. Use analytics to see what works. Adjust your strategies accordingly for better results. Lastly, don't give up. Success takes time and effort. Stay consistent, and the rewards will come. In summary, affiliate marketing is a flexible way to earn income. Choose a niche, create content, and promote effectively. Your hustle can pay off significantly. Apply these steps today. Start your affiliate marketing journey as a student now.